Hi everyone, my name's Elyse Krumholz. I graduated from Northwestern in 2010. I was a sociology major and a business institutions minor. Currently, I'm a market research specialist at WMS Gaming. Uh, we make slot machines and other things for casinos, work in the gambling industry. Definitely not a career I ever thought I would have 3.5 years ago when I graduated. But I'll give you a little bit about my background and I guess tell you how I got there. When I started Northwestern, I really had no idea what I wanted to do, what I wanted to major in. I was definitely undeclared when I came in, but I took a couple sociology classes my freshman year and was really interested in just studying, people's behaviors and motivations and studying different cultures and societies. So I decided to be a sociology major, and throughout my time at Northwestern, I still didn't really know what I wanted to do with my sociology degree. I was also in the business institutions program, so I took some marketing classes, and some of those classes had market research components, which kind of interested me, but I still didn't really know what to make out of it. So throughout my time at Northwestern, I also worked for Professor McCall. I was a summer research associate, or started as that, helping with some research on the media's portrayal of inequality. And throughout that time, it started as a summer internship type thing, and I ended up continuing on for a couple years through graduation, working with Professor McCall. And I also did a senior thesis, which I can talk a little bit about. But once I had all these research components in college, and when I was graduating, I started, looking for some jobs in market research because I had a lot of research experience through my sociology degree, and I was also interested in some marketing classes through BIP. So I ended up, right after college, interning at a small market research consulting firm, which I was then hired on full time and worked there for 2.5 years. And really what market research involves is, or at least in the business world, is studying all different types of human behavior and preferences and motivations, and it fits into a lot of different industries. So I did a lot of work in healthcare, working with pharmaceutical companies in product development, segmenting, for instance, diabetes patients to figure out, which patients were the best type for a new diabetes product. I also tested a lot of medical devices, but I also did things like skincare, studying consumer skincare behaviors, working with marketing agencies to figure out the best way to market to those types of consumers. I also worked with Sony on a website design project where they were launching a new website, and we tested throughout the entire development process, tested website concepts with people worldwide. So I use a lot of methodologies that I learned in sociology, everything from interviewing people, focus groups, surveys, ethnography, all the methods that I learned in sociology really I use daily in my job today. I think it shows that you have critical thinking skills and analytic skills, which is becoming increasingly important. There's a lot of trends in predictive analytics and big data now, especially in my job. And, knowing that you can handle analysis and, handling big projects as well. I think your senior thesis really is a great example that you can show, human resources or wherever you're applying, or grad school as well.